What up, y'all? This is Mel and Keisha. Back with another Eating Chat. I'm Mel.
I'm Keish.
And this is a Walk in the Fat Woman's Shoes. Tonight's Eating Chat, we have separate meals, as y'all know.
Yes.
We've been having separate meals for months now.
Yes.
And you pretty much know why. I like deliciousness and not just beef.
I like deliciousness
I do
too.
like my pieces of beef at times. So that's why I got this ribeye. And she got
egg drop soup with meatballs.
You heard what she said. We drinking that good old H2O.
And I'm drinking mine out of the coldest water bottle, A.K.A. what? Big effing Gurt. You heard me? Big Gurt. Big Gurt will do what? Come on, babe. Come on, say it with me now. She will save you
nothing
in a crisis.
She will sit on the curb and watch you be beat.
And how to get a big Gurt, a big swole, or a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you go and click that link. You owe it to yourself. Go on, get you one. Go on, do it. Go on, do it. You ready?
Y'all see that?
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead, girl.
Go this way. Thank you for the meal. I receive that for the name. Bless your presence. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So what's going on with you guys tonight? Let us know what
y'all
y'all
see?
eating.
Ooh,
let us know what y'all eating if y'all eating with us.
Steak.
Also, let us know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods, how's your weather treating you, what y'all did today. Y'all not want to know.
What's
I'm nosy. I'm nosy. Y'all know I'm nosy.
On this plate is just deliciousness. You see that? I get roasted me some tomatoes with mozzarella, and I got that nice ribeye, courtesy of my baby. Thank you, girl. And these killed vegetables, which is a California blend. They're dead, but I'm still going to eat them.
Egg drop soup, y'all. As y'all know, I am doing BBBE, so you know I have beef and eggs.
I have no aversion to cauliflower. I just don't think you should mutilate it.
Shit. Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know this is good too, right?
Pretty much. When I eat my steak tomorrow, it's gonna be good too.
Look at that.
Ooh, that smells so good. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna even hate on the shit. It do smell good, but mine do too. My food smell good. And tastes good. Get one of these meatballs, you hear me? That's a meatball.
No. I am truly questioning your food. Like, what's going on over there? I understand the meatballs and the broth.
The cooked eggs in the broth?
That's the problem.
No, it's not. This is good. This is really good.
Oh my God.
She said what she wants. This is good.
Keisha.
Yes.
You see right there on my plate? Look. You see right there? That's the community pool.
Okay.
And the juices from the roasted tomatoes, the steaks, and the vegetable are all swimming right there.
Like, I don't know that. I can see that, babe.
Oh my God.
Babe,
let me go ahead on.
You're not messing with me.
Try these tomatoes.
Because if you was messing with me, I'd have broke.
No, you wouldn't. Cause
I'd have been broke and ate that.
I wouldn't have gave you nothing off my plate, so I don't know.
Yeah, like when you ate them oysters. Talk about messing with a bitch. You know she was.
Who gonna give you some?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I wanted to break so bad, but she was like, I can't do it to you. I can't. But you gonna sit in my face and eat them bitches and then talk about, they so good. Really?
I ain't gonna go that.
She could have waited till I went in the back and ate them. She could have waited.
You knew I was about to eat them, so you wasn't moving.
What? Do that even sound like me? I think it is. You know, yeah, that do sound like me.
You just went in the back. Once you got mad, so I wasn't gonna give you none. But if I'd have messed around and gave you something, you would have gladly eat them.
Probably. Then felt bad about it.
And
You
see,
know what was set these
I didn't want
meatballs
that for you. And that's why I just didn't give you none.
Some sage.
You know what else would have said
Some
that all?
sage sausage.
And we would put just a little green onion in there.
Now this little dry parsley thing, that's good enough. Little green.
No, that's not.
It's good. Yeah, this is good. Bless the one I sent your packages. I sent your package off today. Yeah.
I cut that steak, and you know what
Yeah.
that steak said to me?
So I hope it gets to you intact.
You heard me?
You should be getting it tomorrow.
I cut that steak. You heard what it said?
Well,
That bitch went move.
I'll take a piece of that. I mean, I'll take a piece of that. You know, it ain't gonna hurt now.
I cut that bitch open in
Then
the
it's bloody too. Come on, you know that's how I like my meat.
Moo. Look.
Just chop off the tail. Chop off the tail and drag him by the horns across the fire, just a little bit. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. What seasoning you put on that?
Salt, pepper. Some garlic, some onion powder.
That's good.
And a little Tony Sasser.
That's good. I'm trying to cut down on the all the seasonings that I use and stuff because I want to just see how this is gonna do. I mean, how I'm gonna do on this. So far, I'm doing pretty good.
I will spit this out because I'm chewing too long, but it still got flavor. And that's why you don't assault your steak.
Right. Like tomorrow, I'm eating the same thing for like steak. But I'm making mine like steak bites. Maybe that with eggs. I don't know. But this is what I'm eating.
You should have.
My egg drop soup. I made enough to be able to eat all day.
I should have. You cook two of them little thin ones.
Curtis, have you tasted it yet?
Yeah, that was good.
Was.
Yeah, because it's long. I hope you wasn't needing that anymore.
I need to get at least one more meal out of it.
Mm. Alonzo size bowl.
What?
Alonzo size bowl.
A long size bowl. Is he serious?
No, they got enough. They got enough for you to have a meal.
Wow, thank you. So I can have a meal. Thank you. I ain't do nothing but cook it.
Oh, excuse me, y'all. I can't waste this steak like this.
Excuse me.
Steaks cost too much. I can't waste this like this. You want this steak?
Wait a minute, not right now. Trying to let this
I
go
just
down.
can't.
It's going down kind of slow. So let me drink some water. I need to help that bitch along. You know how like me be going down and then it get like stuck in your throat? That's how it was.
No, I can't do that.
What?
Waste that like that. Steak costs too much. That steak costs more than a bag of ground meat. I can't do that.
Yeah, but when you trying to get a good cut or a thick cut, you know, so you can cut them or however, you got to pay for it.
But no, I hear that wrong. Because obviously steak is more than ground meat. But that steak costs more than a pack of ground meat, a pound. And I can feed all of us off that pound.
I'm starting to get full. I need one more meatball. And that's going to be a wrap for me, y'all. Let me get some more of the juice. But late. You're in there. Last bite.
And I chose this steak because it was steak number 2. You know, out the 3 we had. Walmart.
I'm all warm in the inside.
Walmart added truck meat. You know,
God bless you, baby.
I had to return something, right? And Walmart told me, okay, return to the store. And we'll ship it back for you. Only thing, Sadie, if you don't have a box, don't worry, we got one for you. And we're gonna pack it up, send it back. So I goes to the Walmart.
Goes to the Walmart.
So I go to the Walmart. They don't have a box to fit it. This bitch gonna tell me, go buy my own box.
But they could supply their box.
I don't know. The thing say all I gotta do is bring it, y'all gonna do the rest. Yeah, but that's only if we got a box that could fit it. So I goes back there to buy a box. And I took my box and I closed it up and everything, and I showed it to the girl. You know, she was in the electronics. Stocking. Oh, excuse me. She started to help me look for the box. Then she says to me, what you need a box for? Stupid me. I answered her because she was kind of slow. And what I mean by that is, if I need a box, I'm obviously trying to ship something. You know, either way it go. But she showed me this little bitty ass box, and I showed her what I was trying, the box size I needed. She showed me this little bitty box.
Mm-hmm.
I said, no, that's not gonna fit now. Why she needed to have the box and put it in the box to see if it fit now?
But you already told her it wasn't gonna fit.
Right. Then she was like, well, what you need the box for? Stupid ass me told her. Oh, well, if they told you buy a box, then you need to buy a box. But you ain't gonna do nothing but go throw these boxes away.
Exactly.
I'm like, I'm a company bitch.
Well, she probably felt like, bitch, I ain't getting in no trouble because you want a box.
How she was gonna get in trouble?
You know how they act. You know exactly how they act. They do that. I ain't getting in no trouble. I ain't getting fired. It's like,
You know what that motherfucker told me? That's your opinion for wanting to return something.
right. I just feel like well, this ain't got nothing to do with that. I just feel like when we go to Walmart or whatever, and I see a homeless person or whatever, and I give him money, I guess I have bad as you with those people, because it's like I go give him money or whatever, and soon as I go give him something, here they come out you. Oh, you have to move. You can't be doing that right here in front of you. You let him stay here all this damn time. Soon as I give them something, oh, they gotta go. What's the problem? You know, like what? I can't give nobody money. What's the problem? I don't know. I just say, you know what? Next time I won't give somebody something, I'll just be like, look, can you kind of walk with me right here where I can give you something so they won't make you move? Cause that just really, you know, that grinds my gears. That really does. It grinds my damn gears, you know, because all I'm doing is trying to help somebody, And y'all like, you can't do that. You can't do that. Bitch, eat one. Eat one. You know. And then it's cold out there. You know, I'm trying to, I mean, at this point, look, I feel like once I give you the money, what you do with it, that's not on me. You know. And, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I also went and bought her a coffee. You know. I went and bought her a coffee. You know, one of them little cold coffees, but, you know, still. You know, I got her coffee and went back out there and gave her that. You know, but at the time when I went to go give her that, they, you know, she was already walking. But I had went further down and gave her the coffee. I didn't know where she went from there, but when we was leaving, I saw where she was. She was like almost to Wendy's or whatever. You know, she was like in the parking lot, but she was like to the end and everything. But I'm like, people just, I don't understand. People just, no Christmas spirit, you know. I used to be down for Christmas and everything, you know, until, you know, till one of our family members was like, you gotta, you know, not put yourself in that situation. Not put yourself in that position. Stop thinking that you're gonna be depressed, you know. And ever since then, you know, I'm lively about it. You know, I'm happy about the holidays. Yeah, don't get me wrong, you know, I would feel better if family was, you know, my family that's going on was here or whatever, but, you know, you can't dwell in that. You can't dwell on something you can't change. You can't. You know, you can only do for today, you know, what you know, can't do because they're gone, you know, if that makes sense, you know. But yeah, I'm still, man, Alonzo wants a refrigerator for his room. His mama said don't get him no refrigerator because he don't need that. He don't need a refrigerator, but he said he want to keep his juices and his ice pops, his little freeze pops. He want to get his freeze pops, his juices, and his waters. He won't keep them cold. He said, and it has to have a freezer on it. You know, I want the refrigerator, but it has to have a freezer on it as well. I'm like, really? So now
Wow.
I don't know what else to get him because he said he wants money and a refrigerator. You know, he don't want nothing else. He said that's all he wants from me, money in the refrigerator. And, you know, Nanny give him his little money. You know, Nanny give him money. So, he ain't got to worry about the money part, but it's just, I can't give him the refrigerator. So, I'm waiting on him to tell me what else he want, you know. He said, ain't really nothing else I want. I know Paul Rain got me some stuff, you know, and Curtis like, Mama, we might as well just give him money, get him a little gift and call it a day. Cause we done lost. I'm like, ain't nothing about no losing. I'm Nanny. Regardless, yeah, she Paul Rain, but I'm Nanny, you heard me? Come on.
Lost
Nanny's gonna come through talking about we done lost, you know, we done lost the real one, gift giving for Alonzo, you know what I'm saying? Cause he said, cause you know, when he got for his birthday, when you bought him that bow, he was like, man, yeah, Paul Rand, the real one.
That was just in August.
And I guess that's still working with working on Curtis' nerves. It don't bother me, but like I said, I'm Nanny, baby. You know, you're right. Like I told him, I said, baby, I'm Nanny. That don't bother me. You know, it don't. It bother you because you want to be able to outdo us. You ain't gonna be able to do that. And with Alonzo, you don't have to. You know, I noticed you don't have to buy him much for him to be happy. Because
he probably be in that room telling Curtis.
No, not as far as Curtis them, yeah.
Curtis be talking that shit, and he be like, "Oh, shut the fuck up, you got a job." Then be like, "Well, I'm gonna go bring you to Dollar Tree, and you can get whatever you want." Cause you know, back in the day when it was $1, I used to give him $5 and tell him to go get him whatever, 5 items.
Mm-hmm.
And that boy probably be like, "No, I can get you something that Family Dollar or Dollar Tree." Man, you trying to play me. Well, man, get your gifts from them. You don't tell them.
But like, that's
That's because
fine.
she old. And she play with them toys more than me.
Right. I told him I'm doing a quiche tree. I'm adopting a kid for Christmas. You know, a quiche tree. You know, like angel tree when you adopt a kid, you buy him something. You buy him stuff. You know, I told him, I said, I'm doing a quiche tree, baby. He was like, what's that? I said, it's like an angel tree. When you adopt a kid for Christmas and you buy them, you know, toys and stuff like that, you know. He said, Nanny, can I say it? I said, you ain't cursing me, are you? He was like, he said, no. He said, I just wanna be able to say something. I said, go ahead on, say it. He said, that's fine. He said, that's nice, that's good and fine. As long as it don't interfere with my shit. I said, excuse me? He said, man, I don't want to say it again, but as long as it don't interfere with my stuff, Nanny, I'm good. I said, no, I said, no, he ain't curse. He said, you said I could say it, Daddy. So, you know, I couldn't get mad with it because I did tell him he could say it as long as he wasn't cursing me out, you know. Because let me tell you something, I've heard Alonzo curse, and Alonzo curse the best of them. I mean, he go toe to toe with his brothers. You know what I'm saying? He does. You know, when I tell you he ribs so hard, he make them be like, you know what, Mama, get him, Mama, get him, cause I want to hit him. I'm like, you ain't gonna hit my baby because he got your ass, you know, shit, cause he ribbing your ass and shit. Ooh, don't talk about when I tell him. I say, go tell him. I say, go tell him your big fat mo. Boy, he be like, Nanny, I don't want to say that. I don't want to say that about you. I'm like, boy, just go tell him. Boy, when they come up in that, all of them will come running in the fucking room, be like, what? Like, Nanny told me to say it. Nanny told me to say it. Nanny told me to say it. Yeah, like, you know he's not about to take out your big fat maw. And I didn't tell him to say that. Come on now. Shoot, that little boy, that's my dude. He went skating Saturday. His daddy said he did good, you know, but like she was like Mel was telling me he goes skating with his mom and stuff like that. So, you know, but that was his first time bringing him skating, and he saw it, you know. He was like, he was doing good. I said, tell him to call me. Little dude ain't called me yet. I'm still waiting on him to call me. Like, where's Nanny's call, you know? But I know I'm going to get it because, you know, his mama went out of town. And she's back. I believe she's back now. So, you know, I'm going to get it because I think she has his other phone or whatever. But I don't know. I think she has his phone or whatever because I think he was telling me, my mama got my phone in her purse and she left it. So, he'll be calling me. But anyway, y'all, we hope y'all enjoyed this video.
That's what I get for teasing her.
What, talking?
Couldn't eat my meat.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's good, because you know I needed room anyway.
Anyway, y'all, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Wait, room for what?
Just mind your business. Say what you're saying.
We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we're going to plant you down and dig you later. Because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You hear me? Peace, y'all.
I got this big old grease stain. Now I'm
That's
going to
what
have
you
to
get.
shout it out and shit.
That's what you get.
For eating delicious food next to you, and you couldn't eat
No,
any?
for eating that steak in front of me.
You can eat steak.
I know, and then you only gave me one piece. One piece. You know I like even numbers.
Oh. Well, you full now, sir.
Yeah, I'm full. I can't eat another one. That's messed up, though. Because you could have gave it to me when you gave me that piece. And this piece right here, let me show y'all. Just so beautifully.
Yeah, it is.
So beautifully bloody. You see that? Oh, my God.
Turn your hand that way.
Just so beautifully bloody. Oh, my God. And she just...
It is. The texture and all that, it is beautiful. Why are you doing all that?
Anyway, y'all. Peace, y'all.
Peace.